Hey guys, this is Russ Randall, the DIY hydroponic gardener, and it is January, and so it's really cold. Not a whole lot of stuff is growing outside, but we're going to start growing stuff inside. So I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video today. And so what I've got here for me is I wanted to get an indoor grow tent to be able to grow to start my seedlings. My wife has cats. I guess we have cats, and so they like to get into my seedlings and eat them and lay on them and do a whole bunch of stuff, and it really bothers me. So I had to get an enclosed grow tent in order to be able to protect my seedlings and put all my grow lights and everything inside of them. So this is it. We've got a 3x3 Vivosun grow tent, and so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and then installation or construction video for you. So one of the nice things that I saw about these is that these are nice metal aluminum poles. They're not plastic poles, and so when constructed, these things do go together nicely, and you can hang grow lights off of them, ventilation, any other types of things. So we've got all these poles in here, nice metal connectors for our corners. And so these feel like that they're going to be, have some sturdiness to them. I saw some other grow kits that were out there, grow tents, and I saw that they had a lot of plastic type of structure, and I just didn't feel like that was going to hold everything as I wanted it to. We have these nice supports that go over at the top of it, so that you can hang lights and ventilation systems, fans, those types of things. Got some nice straps to be able to add in there. So we got a bunch of great poles here. And then we also have the whole canvas cover that goes to this. And I think somewhere in here as well is that there is a drip pan, just a pan to go under to keep water from leaking out in all of your house. So I'm going to start to go through and put this together, and I'll show you the structure of it and then how it's all put together. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so you can see here we got the frame together. Here's the outside canvas that goes around the frame here. I've unfolded that, and so we're going to unzip all of these things so we can take and put it around this framing here. It's a nice metal frame that I really like. It's got these nice little push button things that you can take and just put it together, so no tools are needed. We have these cross members that go up here on this. It just goes across like that. So this particular one is a 3x3. It fits the space that I'm going to put it in that I'll show you later. But now that we got this together, now we'll put the outside skin on it. Okay, so with the help of my lovely wife, we were able to take and wrap this outer canvas around it. A nice Vivosun grow tent here. So if you look inside here, we got nice supports to be able to hang our grow lights from. Some vents for air. You can take and put your fans in there and filters and all this kind of stuff. You've got the little pockets to take and put some of your supplies in. It's got a nice little pan in the bottom for any spills to keep it water resistant, I suppose. So I got the 3x3, if you're wondering what that size is. You see a lot more that are like 4x4, but the 3x3 is going to fit the space that I'm going to be putting it in and taking it and putting it in my kitchen. So this is it with the wrap around it. Alrighty, so now that we've got this thing in place, I've gone through and I've started putting stuff into it. So I've taken my 3-foot shelves in here and I'm starting to utilize them. Some flowers of my wife for a while till it warms up. And so then up here, this will be the germination shelf where we'll get all of our seeds going. Down here we'll start to roll them into the hydroponic pods, and let them grow a little bit more. And so, as you would see here, well, I did plug my grow lights in. We have the grow lights. They're in both places, and I have one more for the other shelves. So all that wonderful light will start bouncing around and feeding all those plants. So we'll be signing off from this Vivosun Grow Tent construction video, and we'll see you on the next one.